we're gonna open a foodie mini brand. And let's see if we can get ultra rare mini brand. Okay, so if you don't know what mini brands are, they're really cool mini toys. Can be food or toy. Like little toys of food. So this is a food one. You can get mini food. Okay, so we're just gonna start by unboxing it like this. Okay. Let's get like that. Ugh. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna go to the trash can really quick and just sort this out. The wrapper, I'll sort it out here. Okay, guys, oh, guys, there's a tiny bit more trash. Okay, guys, the last unbox. Okay, guys, I got this. Okay, guys, now we're gonna unbox the pink thing, this pink wrapper. Now let's unbox the pink wrapper. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, that's fine. Okay, okay. I got the pink ball. It looks like an LOL ball, guys. Don't you agree? The pink thing. Well, look. The pink ball. Okay, guys. So let's crack it open. I heard you just do this. Oh, really cool. Okay, the collector's guy. OMG. I want all of this food. Guys, sorry, I'm not a big waiter guy that wants to show the pictures. These are the ultra rare. Hopefully, I want this one. I want that one, the ultra rare one. And we got a lot of these other things. Okay, so let's go with this one first. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a mini food hamburger. Okay, next. I feel like this is gonna... OMG. Guys, I'm lucky. I got like this. Let's see it on the menu. Tap to start. I think it's a little like, you have to build it. It's like a little, let's see on the menu. Oh yeah. Look, I can't see it, but I'll build it for you guys. Okay, next, oh my god. Guys, I wanted one of these. It's, dumplings. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, we have a couple more. Oh, a Subway drink, guys. Last bag. Hopefully be something good. What the heck? It's like a little miniature. I don't know. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Now let's build this thing. Oh my god. Okay, and then you put it on the stand here. Wait, guys, it should fit. Like, no, I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Hold on a minute. Oh, it's like this. I knew I was doing it wrong. So this goes in here like this. Okay, and this one goes in like this. Okay, hold on, guys. So which one is the small one and which one? Nope. Wait, hold on a minute. Oh. Wait. Hold on a minute. Because I gotta do. Oh, I did this whole thing wrong. I have to take this apart. Okay. It's you do it like this. Okay, so you do it like this. So get that little thing, put it like this, see? Then you put it back together. Yeah, I was doing it wrong. I knew I was doing something wrong. Okay, and then after, you put that, and you put the base on. Where did the base go? Where did the base go? Guys, here we go. Does this have to click or something? Oh, okay. Now let's add the sticker. Okay, so next, touch to start. Okay, we put this on. Okay, first we put this on.
마음이야. 오케이. 내 허리 쿵 줄이고 나 내 허리 쿵 줄이고 이거 생각 내 허리 많이 거리 얘는 빠는 개.
Not perfect, guys, but look. Then I add, let's see.
No, only 7 something.
Okay, make sure that all the bags are empty. Nothing inside. Good. Now I'm gonna get one of these little things. For some reason, they give me 3. Oh yeah, because they're so tiny. Oh my god. Oh yeah, they're so tiny. So they give you multiple. So if you make a mistake, like I just did, I made a mistake. They'll give you multiple. Yeah, I need another one. Wait, hold on. Am I missing a piece? Wait, guys. I think I'm missing something. Can you tell me, like, that little thing? Oh, sneaky. It was in one of the bags, guys. OMG. That tiny little piece. Imagine losing that, right? No wonder that makes it easier. Okay, now. We only need one of these stickers, right? Nope, it's ugly. I have one more chance, guys. Guys, I'm gonna move this way. Oh no. Okay. Dang it. There we go. Perfect. And we don't need this stuff, right? Okay, we don't need this. Okay, there's nothing else in this bag, right? Okay, we don't need all this stuff. Imagine throwing out that tiny little piece. Okay, so this is what I got. I got this thing. It stands, as you can see. Okay, next we got this cute little, what you call it? What you call it? It's a cute dumpling box. So inside is dumplings. Next we got this. I don't know what it is, but I think I know what restaurant this is from. It's like curly fries or something. Next we have a Subway drink. At least we got one drinker. Then we have White Castle burger in the box, I think. Okay. This one is my favorite. Besides this, okay, hold on. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun, guys. Bye.